To a primetime news follow-up now, opposition leader Mark Golding has offered to help residents who have been resisting eviction in Little Bay and Brighton in Westmoreland. Mr. Golding visited the area today. Kirk Wright has the details.
The residents of Little Bay and Brighton are mindful that the eviction team could return any moment to demolish their homes, so they are in a rush to find a solution to avert that. Judging from the last attempt to have them removed off the land, it's clear they are determined to put up a fight. Opposition leader Mark Golding, while empathizing with the people, made it clear violence is not the answer. He says the government must play a stronger role to mediate for the people.
With the assistance of agencies like the National Housing Trust and other agencies that can come on board and try and find a way forward. The government must intervene. We respect the law of the land and we respect rights of property and all of that. And many of you are property owners in your own right. You may not have a legal title yet, but you have been living on property and you've invested in your property for way beyond the 12 years prescribed by law. So these situations are not things that can be ignored by the government.
The residents highlighted their plan to hire an attorney and take back the matter to court. Mr. Golding promised to help.
I will continue to do whatever I can to try and bring about a solution to your situation. I will be working closely with your attorneys and with the people, with our councillors and our candidates, because we don't want this to become a political football.
The residents were also urged to unite.
If the man them drive down the bulldozer tomorrow and them send one contingency of soldiers with it and them send one contingency of police, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Or is it that all of us who are here listening, are we all united? Are we all united?
The land dispute spans several decades, with the residents ignoring a court ruling and notices to leave the area. Instead, the people want the land they occupy to be sold to them. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.